Hey guys, my training routine is intense. I push hard. I sweat hard. And if you train like a beast, you have to eat like one too. So today I'm showing you my complete homemade post-workout meal that fuels my body every single day. No supplements, no fancy protein powders. Just powerful homemade food that contains almost everything your body needs. Protein, carbs, healthy fats, and natural sugars. This is what keeps my energy high and my recovery fast. My day starts simple. 2 whole eggs and 1 fresh juice, sometimes orange, sometimes pomegranate, sometimes watermelon. Then I hit my workout. Heavy training, no excuses. After workout, here comes the real fuel. Breakfast first, 1 small bowl of chickpeas with potatoes. That's protein plus slow-digesting carbs. Then 1 small bowl of rice. Clean carbohydrates for energy and muscle recovery. 3 wholesome wheat chapattis, steady energy and fiber. 1 full scrambled egg for extra protein boost. 1 full banana, natural sugar, potassium, instant recovery. Then dry fruits. Dates for quick energy, almonds for healthy fats, raisins for natural sweetness and minerals. And finally, 1 full glass of whole milk. Simple, powerful, complete. People think you need expensive diets to build muscle. They think you need imported protein powders, fancy meal plans, and complicated supplements. You don't. What you really need is consistency, discipline when no one is watching, and real food that fuels your body the right way. This is traditional homemade food. Simple, honest, powerful, chickpeas for strength, rice for energy, eggs for muscle repair, banana for recovery, dry fruits for that natural boost, milk for complete nourishment. There's nothing fancy here, but there's everything your body needs. Muscle isn't built by shortcuts. It's built by showing up every single day. In the gym and in the kitchen. Train hard, eat clean, recover properly. That's the formula. Not glamorous, not complicated, just effective. This is how champions are built. Only serious people will answer this. This is real food, real effort, real results. If you believe homemade food can build a strong body, drop a comment, real food wins, and what food you used to take in your breakfast.